I don't think people understand why we get hiccups. Let's break it down, shall we? So you're walking your dog, enjoying the fresh air, and oh no, the dreaded hiccups. But what are they really? Well, when your diaphragm, that muscle right under your lungs, gets irritated, it spasms. This causes a quick intake of breath that your vocal cords slam shut over, making that funny hic sound. Could be from eating too fast, drinking soda, or even just getting excited. Your body's quirky way of saying, hey, slow down. Next time you hiccup while walking Fido, just chuckle and remember, it's your body's way of keeping things interesting. Keep those tails wagging and hiccups hopping.